Tesla Giga Mexico begins recruitment. Tesla Giga Mexico will be built and put into operation in record time. The new factory will provide 35,000 direct and indirect jobs in the region. In fact, the company has already begun recruiting for its construction. The choice of Mexico as Tesla's new manufacturing site is a big win for the country. The Texas manufacturer's factory will give a huge boost to the local economy, creating tens of thousands of jobs and filling the treasury. According to Jesus Nava, the mayor of Santa Catarina in the state of Nuevo León, Tesla will invest about $5 billion in Phase 1 of the factory, which will employ about 5,000 people. In the next phase of expansion, the company will invest another $5 billion and hire about 5,000 more employees. Thus, the total planned investment in the facility will be $10 billion, generating 10,000 direct jobs. Giga Mexico will also create about 25,000 indirect jobs. The production capacity of the factory will be 1 million cars per year. Up to this point, we did not know anything about the progress of the Giga Mexico plan. However, Tasmanian found that Tesla has opened dozens of positions for the factory construction and other operations in the country. The vast majority of employees needed is in the construction facilities category. The company seeks employees for 12 key positions for the factory's construction: mechanical engineer factory design, structural engineer factory design, civil engineer factory design, electrical engineer factory design, architect engineer factory design, fire protection engineer factory design, technical project manager factory design, BIM engineer factory design, facility coordinator, head of construction operations, head of construction engineering, head of construction QA/QC. In addition to the key construction positions, Tesla needs employees in the following categories: manufacturing, head of gigafactory facilities, head of project controls, environmental, health, safety and security, security site supervisor, head of construction safety, security manager, people, recruiting manager, HR manager, finance, program manager, internal audit, construction and compliance, logistics analyst, supply chain, analyst associate, FP and a business operations, legal and government affairs, senior legal counsel, infrastructure, managing counsel, employment, community engagement lead, Nuevo León. All of the positions listed indicate Tesla is actively preparing to build Giga Mexico. According to Tom Zhu, Senior Vice President of Automotive Operations at Tesla, the new factory will be built in record time to surpass that achieved with Giga Shanghai. The company's Chinese factory built and delivered the first cars in just 9 months, which is an absolutely unique record in the industry. Source: reposted and summarized from Eva Fox at Tasmanian. My take: how long before this factory is pushing out 2 million Models 2s per year?